What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on Wednesdays. Now today we're going to talk about the best trade lines to increase your credit score with a low credit. Okay, so without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, now today we're going to talk about trade lines and how it can increase your credit score with a low credit score. Okay, so having a positive trade line to your credit report can help boost your credit score tremendously, especially if you have a low credit score. So the first thing that you need to do is find somebody that will allow you to be an authorized user on their account. Now, becoming an authorized user, someone else will manage your credit card account can be highly beneficial. Make sure the account holder has a good payment history first, a low credit utilization, and a long-term credit history, because those are the main factors, which is 35% of your credit, that will help you boost your credit score. Okay, now secondly, your credit secure credit card. Now if you're struggling to get approved for a traditional credit card, a secure credit card is a great opportunity. It requires a security deposit, but it allows you to build a positive history with responsible use. Okay, now thirdly, credit builder loans. Credit builder loans are designed to help you establish or improve your credit. You make small minimum payments to into a savings account, and once the loan is paid off, you receive the money along with the improved credit score. So a credit builder is a great place to start as well. Now if you want me to actually do a video about credit builder loans, please put down in the track credit builder loans, and I'll actually do one for you. I will give a list of the best ones that you should actually do that will actually boost your credit score up tremendously. Okay, now next is retail store credit cards. Some retail store credit cards offer credit cards with related low credit requirements. Using and paying off these credit cards responsibly now can add positive trade lines to your credit report. Okay, now credit builder credit cards. These cards are specifically designed for individuals with low or no credit. They often comes with low credit limits and a higher interest rate, but it can be a valuable tool for building credit. Okay, so don't look bad on it. It's going to help you get to where you need to be. Now, rent reporting services. Some services allow you to report your rent payments to credit bureaus, which can positively impact your credit score, especially if you have a thin credit history. Now, Experian is a great company that actually does this. You can actually, another builder card itself, they do it as well. Now, last but not least, a credit union. If you can get with any credit union, especially Navy Federal, is the great place. Joining a credit union can establish a good relationship and can lead to opportunity for favorable credit products, including credit cards and loans. Okay, so it is very important. Remember now that while adding positive trade lines can help you improve your credit, it is equally important to maintain good credit habits as well. Yes, ma'am. I see you, girl. Okay, now also don't forget paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many credit card accounts. Yes, at once can hinder your credit, but if you open too many credit cards at once, so make sure that you're actually being responsible. And also regularly monitor your credit report for accuracy and address, and any errors that might prompt will help you so much. So make sure that you are checking your credit score and your credit report at least once a month. You can go to freecreditreport.com and get a copy of your credit reports from all three bureaus, which is TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and get it. Since it is the end of the year, I would advise y'all to do that, so that way y'all can actually see exactly what's on your credit report. And if you've been at your address for 2 years and that is that same address that's on your license, go ahead and delete all those other addresses on there as well, and the other phone numbers as well. Clear that mess up, because 9 out of 10 times, once you clean it up, some of that stuff that's on your credit report will automatically drop off. So hey, look at it, circle what errors that you don't, what is no longer on there, and just write a letter and let them know. Or matter of fact, you can even call them. Okay, so my name is Renata, the Credit Accomplice. Please follow us on all platforms, and don't forget to listen to our podcast, and please join our Facebook group, okay, so you can get more tips and learn about Tradelines and how to improve your credit. Okay, be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward, and I'll see you on the next one.